Canva launched a new video editor. You know what that means? We're playing our favorite game. Where the F did it go? This is a good news, bad news situation. I've got good news. I found the auto trim button. The bad news is, well, you'll have to wait and see. Let's start off on Canva's homepage and go to video and then click video landscape. This is so that we can get into the brand new video editor. I'm trying to hide my bias of not liking it. It just is not, I'm not doing a very good job. First, we're going to start with a photo. So there's two ways you can lengthen this. First, left click on the end and just drag it out to however long you want it to be. That's way number one. What if you want it to be very, very specific and don't have time for that? What you're going to do is click this button that says Pages. And now you're going to see this Edit Timing button to where we can actually type in the timing we want, 8.4 seconds. We're going to get back to this in just a minute. We're going to go ahead and add a page. Go back to that video document. And let's add a video because auto trim is the thing it's what I use a lot of. Click on this. There is no scissors. There is no auto trim. Click on down here. There is no scissors, no auto trim. Hide pages thumbnail. When we do that, you see that original image that, by the way, we didn't see in that other view. That's important. Now, when we click the video, you're going to see scissors in 7 seconds. So now we can click that. Here's the auto trim, and then we can slide this however we want. So when I used this video recently, I used auto trim and slid it to the front so that I could have this specific clip done. This video clip is 4.8 seconds. Remember when I said it's a good news, bad news situation? The good news is we found it. The bad news is if we switch back to the video editor, all the hard work is basically going to go away. Let me show you what I mean. We're going to click Pages again. When we click this, it doesn't show you how long it is here. But down here in the corner, it will say 7 seconds. If I click preview, it's going to show 15 seconds. By the way, a bunch of white space, and then it shows the full video clip. Actually, it doesn't even show you the full video clip. It starts repeating on loop from the clipped thing. It still thinks that that page is 7 seconds, even though we trimmed it shorter. I don't like to give bad news without giving good news. So let me show you what to do. Click on Pages again. You can download the video from this view. The other thing that you can do is instead of creating your videos inside of the video document, you can click on Home and click on Presentation instead. Look, the scissors are there. When I click Pages, it just goes back and forth from this view to that view. If you have it in this view and you have another page here, you can add transitions by sort of hovering and clicking. And you can create a video within presentations if you don't want to do it in the new video editor yet. Let me know if you have any questions about the new video editor. Maybe I can answer it in the next Where the F Did It Go? Watch us next to learn how to change the background color on the new video editor, as well as how to revert your video editor back to the old one.